Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we're gonna analyze the market for next week. That means next Monday to Friday, and we are going to break down support and resistance zones, key trend zones, and trendline zones, and many more. And before we start, there is some conclusion about the fundamental things. Number one is U.S. Supreme Court already announced that Donald Trump tariffs are illegal, and another option is number one, and number two is inflation. There is another issue, and number three is geopolitical tensions, like there is war between US and Iran, and there is some conclusion are coming in upcoming days or upcoming weeks, so we have to keep our concern that thing also. And there is another thing is coming, that is rate cut expectation slowly building. Okay, so we have to keep our concern on that four thing while we want to start trading. And high impact news coming in that week, that is US CPI and FOMC speaks and US jobless climb, also economic data. And we have to consider upcoming geopolitical events or news also that comes instantly, so we have to keep our concern that all thing also before we start technical analyzing. And I may suggest you join our public Telegram channel, link in the video description box. So we are sharing each and every event related data, or what is upcoming events on gold and what is going to happen with gold, that we are sharing into a Telegram channel. So you may join there to get real-time update data. Okay, so as per our analysis style, we always start our analyzing with higher time frame, and then we move into lower time frame to find out our path or direction. And if I start with weekly time frame, as you can see there, from long time ago market just moving with bullish momentum. Okay, we seen there 2 weeks there was bearish momentum from the market, and I told that market is still on bullish momentum, and exactly that thing going to happen with the market. So we have to consider long duration market momentum is still bullish. Okay, so let's get back into daily time frame. As you can see there, for daily time frame, if I want to draw a trend line over there, from there to there, you can see there market is perfectly following that trend line. Okay, that trend line is just touching each and every time and creating again and again higher high, higher high. Okay, and again higher high. Okay, so that means maybe there is more fuel going to come into the gold pair. So more fuel come means more spike or more bullish momentum. Okay, so let's get back into 4-hour time frame to find out our entry, or if we can get any relevant entry. Okay, so first of all, I need to draw a trend line from lower side or from support area or support side. So, and if I want to draw another one from the upper side, you can see that, or you can say that resistance trend line. So there is already a breakout happens, that means there. So as per breakout strategy, we have to wait for a pullback, then we can consider a buy entry after a candle confirmation. So what we can do, or what we can do over there, let's analyze that thing. Okay, so if I want to find out a support or resistance zone around that particular area, you may see there is a support area. Okay, that area was weekly starting point, and there you can see there is 2 time market just up touch that area and go up or down. There is another time, and after crossing that line, gold is started with spike. Okay, gold just started to spike. So we have to keep our concern on that thing. And if I especially want to go back in H1 time frame, so let's remove all of H4 time frames data, or all of H4 time frames conclusion or equation. So if I want to draw again there to there, okay, there to there, and if I want to draw another trend line, maybe it's there. Okay, we can draw that there, or we can keep it as simple as we can, that means here to yeah. Okay, let me make it perfect. Okay, perfect now. So as far H1 time frames confirmation, or H1 time frame view, or if I want to zoom in little bit more and make another over there. Okay, over there, so what we can see there, so there is market just creating higher high and higher high again. So we can only buy when that comes there, but for long-term trade or for long-term safety, I may suggest you we have to wait till that particular area. That means market comes that particular area, then we can continue our buying, or we can push for buy entry, depend on the candle confirmation. So in that unstable market situation or condition, I just prefer wait for market open and wait till market reach that particular area, then after the candle confirmation we can consider a buy entry. Okay, otherwise if it give us a bearish breakout, then we will wait for pullback, then we can continue selling. Okay, so this is the thing, or this is the thing for now. And if I want to draw another support area over there, as you can see there, that particular area is our support area. So where we can buy for now, we can buy that particular area. Our SL should be, and below that particular area our TP should be there. So you may take entry here, okay, SL here, TP here. So if you want to take 1:3 risk reward ratio, I always told that, or I always say that must take trades with 1:3 risk reward ratio. That means if you take 100 pips SL, you have to take 300 pips TP in that market situation or in the choppy market. Okay, then you can consider profit or good amount of profit. So if your SL 50 pips, then you can consider 150 pips TP. So where you can get that kind of entry, we are sharing a lot of entry into your premium and free channel also. So better you can join our public Telegram channel, just test our free entries. If it works for you, then go for premium. That is huge, daily 5 to 8 entry into our premium channel. So you may test them, and if it works well for you, that I mean 1 or 2 free entry daily into our public channel. So if it works fine with you, then you can consider premium entry. There is 5 to 8 premium entry comes into our premium channel. So I hope all things clear now. If you have any more question, any more query, you may ask our Telegram channel, or you may comment below, we will answer that. Okay, so I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal, free chart analysis, free news analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub. Or if you have any more query, you may visit our website www.fxbillionaireHub.com. So that's for today. Happy trading, have a nice day.